Have you ever been curious about the effects of consuming turmeric on your body? In this enlightening video, we will explore the extraordinary properties of turmeric that make it an essential addition to your daily routine. Turmeric, a remarkable spice, poses the potential to positively revolutionize your life regardless of your age by rejuvenating your body and promoting overall health. However, it is crucial to understand the correct way to consume turmeric, particularly when combining it with olive oil. Unfortunately, many people fail to fully harness the incredible benefits of turmeric due to incorrect consumption practices. Before we delve into the details, we kindly ask you to show your interest in this topic by liking the video if you've already experienced the wonders of turmeric. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications to stay informed about our latest content. Turmeric, a vibrant golden yellow herbaceous plant, belongs to the ginger family. Harbors a wealth of benefits for the body thanks to its key compound, curcumin. In addition to curcumin, turmeric contains proteins, sugars, resins, and volatile oils such as atlantoin, toumarone, and zingiberine, each possessing unique biological activities. Join us in this video as we delve into the extraordinary advantages of turmeric that will undoubtedly inspire you to incorporate it into your daily routine. Moreover, we will explore the best approaches to consume turmeric, ensuring optimal absorption and unlocking its full potential benefits. Extensive scientific research has conclusively established that turmeric possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties, rendering it an exceptional remedy for a range of internal infections, including liver inflammation, throat and tonsil inflammation, pancreatic inflammation, as well as external infections like vitiligo, tumoritis, and boils. Moreover, turmeric has gained acclaim for its remarkable effectiveness in alleviating conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, ulcerative colitis, and Crohn's disease. Another astounding benefit of turmeric lies in its capacity to fortify the immune system and combat the visible signs of aging. Many individuals in their 50s, 60s, and 70s exhibit a remarkable absence of aging indicators, attaining a youthful appearance and enjoying robust health. If you aspire to join their ranks, incorporating turmeric into your daily regimen becomes of paramount importance. Turmeric aids in the elimination of fatty deposits in the brain, enhances oxygen flow to this vital organ, and combats the formation of facial wrinkles, thereby revitalizing and invigorating your entire being. Turmeric plays a crucial role in promoting optimal cardiovascular function. By reducing levels of harmful cholesterol and triglycerides, turmeric acts as a protective shield for the heart and blood vessels, guarding against the development of atherosclerosis. Additionally, it inhibits the oxidation of detrimental cholesterol, further bolstering cardiovascular health. To fully reap the benefits of turmeric, it is essential to combine it with a source of fat. While some individuals may attempt to mix turmeric in water and consume it, unfortunately, this method limits the absorption of its remarkable properties. Turmeric dissolves in fat, not water. Therefore, it is highly recommended to consume turmeric alongside any type of fat, such as olive oil or avocado, or incorporate it into meals containing fats such as meats or eggs. Another beneficial addition is a small amount of black pepper, as it can enhance turmeric absorption. For instance, you can create a nutritious meal by adding a spoonful of turmeric powder to an egg, along with a spoonful of olive oil, and gently heating the mixture at a low temperature. This approach facilitates better absorption by the digestive system, thereby maximizing the incredible benefits of turmeric. When it comes to purchasing turmeric, it's crucial to acquire it from a reputable source to guarantee the highest quality and avoid adulterated variants. Do you consume turmeric? With that, we conclude our discussion for today, dear viewers. If you found this video informative and beneficial, we kindly request you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We eagerly await your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Subscribe and enable notifications, ensuring that you stay up to date with our future content. Thank you for watching.